Hello dear friends, this is a video regarding the central locking and RPM fixing clamp in RX center. Here I have fixed the central lock. You can see the only change here is to change the old nut. See these nuts, you have to change these nuts to a little bigger one because the central locking clamp is little big and the RPM meter clamp also have to fix there. So change this nut and all others, the central locking kit and the clamp will easily go to this main clamp. So now I have to weld a small piece here to lock the central lock both sides. See, now it is working. See, now with the central locking is working now. You can take the key, it will move this side, both sides it will move. Thank you.